top of the morning. We are getting ready to go to a big build in E-Town, which involves quite a few aqua blocks. It's a lot of aqua blocks. Boys are getting the underlayment on. We're gonna load up. We'll head out.
This is the site of this big pondless build.
What you got there, Ryan? Good morning. Good morning. What's happening? Here, officially, on a new project. Representing for... Get in there. There we go. It's going down for real.
Going down for real.
There's one.
A few moments later.
There's two.
A few moments later.
There's three. And this pit will get dug out. Aqua blocks get buried underneath. Liner aqua blocks. So we can build up on them. You'll see. What number block is this?
This is number 30.
Actually, it's 34, right?
34.
34.
Yeah,
34.
Oh, somebody lied to me.
Well, we added 4 this morning, I think. There you go. Just like that. This whole job is just boom, boom.
Boom. Out of here.
These guys getting the exact measurements. Because we always follow it exactly. Exactly.
What are we doing here, buddy?
Well, we're gonna see if I can not drop this on the driveway in the grass before we get to the truck. We got rid of these roots out of here, and we're gonna try and put them up here in the truck. Now the stump's out. We're gonna fill it back in, tamp it down a little bit, and we're gonna dig our pit out in the front here. We'll have a little wetland up top there, flowing down a nice wide cascade waterfall. Tune back in. Oh, well, you got a video while I was working too, but I mean, a little bit. Happens. I video all the time, and then looks like I don't work. But anyway, Ryan actually let me dig this pit out. The boys did a lot of the work. What's up, guys? And we're getting there on the pit. You think, bud?
Yeah, definitely getting there. Nice big hole.
Big hole.
Not ton of dirt.
Why is it deeper in the back corner, Ryan?
That's where our spillway is gonna go. Or not spillway.
Nope.
That's where our vault's gonna go.
That's where the vault's gonna go. Yeah.
It's a little hot out here. I'm a little delirious right now.
Yeah.
It's so damn hot.
Anyway, so I got to see a different perspective because I got to run the X, so that was fun. Okay, that's where we are so far. Got a big pile of dirt and a hole. All right, so we've got pit is all dug. Underlayment, liner, underlayment. And then we'll start putting some aqua blocks in here to fill up this pit for the bottom of the giant pondless waterfall. I don't know, we'll ask Bobby. Bobby, did I get it to work?
It looks like you were getting it to work.
You missed the log rolling competition, Bobby, but it's all right. It really wasn't much. It didn't really live up to the hype. Anyway, this is kind of nice. We got a piece of liner, so we're covering up in case it rains this weekend. Pit's done, blocks are in. Our wetlands will be up here. You'll be able to see it, but for now, can you hear it? Can you see it? Use your imagination.
In a world of pure imagination.
There you go.
It's gonna sound exactly like a jet balloon.
There you go.
Pit's done.
It's done. And backfill.
Design and start rocking.
Yeah. So
top pit, bottom pit.
Brad Pitt.
Got a snorkel in here. Down in here somewhere. Yep, down in there. It's hard to see, but it's there, believe me. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna kind of work our way up, start building. Come.
How high you want her?
All right. You can tell how big this thing is. Pretty big. Pretty big.
That's what she said.
So it's this kind of stuff, and it's high tension here. Big old Semco coming in here. Major player. All right, things are starting to come together here a little bit. Takes a little while with this type of pondless, but we've got our pooling area here. We've got all kinds of different waterfalls going to be coming off, cascading all over the place here. Go down through to here, and then we're going to have a little stream over here with some waterfalls crashing in here. And then we're going to build it up a little bit at the top. So stay tuned. What are you doing, bud?
Making some rocks. Some smaller rocks.
Made to order.
Specially ordered.
Special orders.
Took them 3 weeks to get here.
That's right.
AKA 3 seconds.
See it all come to fruition here. Oh man, did you see that? That's just a thing of beauty. Thing of beauty.
Hello, Jeremy. What are we doing here?
Well, it seems that we're using some sort of holy log to bless this project with a place to run our drainage.
Yeah, hopefully, maybe.
So we got a log.
I don't know if this guy's experienced at all.
Well, there he is. Is he experienced? We're hiding. We are hiding. Downspout. We went underneath walkway, coming through here, and we're thinking maybe.
Set the GoPro in there.
So set the GoPro in there, he says. Hey friends. We'll check back in a little bit. Testing the old hollow log. Hiding the drainage, and oh, look at that. It works. So when it's raining, you harvest the water right through there like that. All right, so we get impatient, so we run a little water down it just to see how it goes. And she's gonna be sweet. But that's all for today. Tomorrow, if it doesn't rain too much, hopefully we'll get this puppy up and going. For real, for real.
Okay, guys. We were here. We had a rain day yesterday. Got this thing going. Got the boys up there getting the pit ready. I was hooking up the second pump. We're actually constructing this pit up out of the ground some, so we can add some more height. Customer wanted it. Check back in.